greater than or equal to. It's a greater than symbol with one line of an equals symbol. While the word inequality means two values that are not equal, in math, we are asking which is greater and which is less. Parentheses, we could simply use the not equal symbol, which is an equal sign with a line through it, if we only wanted to know that values were not equal. As an example of an inequality, given -6 and 2, which is greater and which is lesser? Any negative number is less than a positive number, so -6 is less than 2. Note that the larger side of the symbol is toward the larger number 2, and the smaller side of the symbol, the point, is toward the -6. Parentheses, this statement can be rotated as in 2 is greater than -6. The symbol is rotated so the greater side or larger side is still toward the larger number 2. End parentheses. Notice the larger part or open mouth of the inequality sign is toward the 2, no matter which way the statement is written. It should be noted that there are several ways to illustrate a greater than or less than relationship, one being an open dot, and the other being a dashed line which excludes the value in question. That brings us to a compound statement of greater than or equal to, which is a greater than symbol with one line of an equal sign, and less than or equal to, which is a less than symbol with one line of an equal sign, where an inequality symbol is combined with an equal sign. If we use a variable in an inequality statement like x is greater than 5, we now have a set of potential numbers that could work. Any number above 5 up to infinity. The infinity symbol is a 8 laying down on its side. Infinity is not a number, but rather a concept of numbers that never stop increasing. If our statement is changed to x is greater than or equal to 5, then the set of possible numbers includes the number 5 and goes up from there to infinity. In the case of a compound statement, a solid dot or a solid line would be used because of the presence of the equal sign, meaning the number in question is included. Although more will be explained on this issue later, it should be noted that x is less than or equal to 5 is 5, and every number all the way down to negative infinity. The symbol for negative infinity is a negative sign and an infinity sign, which is an 8 laying down on its side. Negative infinity is not a number, but the concept that numbers continue to become increasingly negative, parentheses, or smaller, end parentheses, forever. A less than or equal to, a less than sign with one line of an equals, and a greater than or equal to, a greater than symbol with one line of an equals, are compound statements that combine an equals sign and an inequality sign and include the value in question. Antonyms: equal, equals, equality. Related words: greater than, less than, greater value, lesser value, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, solid dot, open dot, solid line, dashed line, set.